Good morning to one and all. Today we will see a new topic in repair and rehabilitation of structures. Maintenance. Okay, what is meant by maintenance? So, maintenance is defined as a work done to hold, keep, and preserve a building structure to an acceptable standards of serviceability. So, whatever work you do to a building or any structure in such a way that it can hold, it can kept, and it can be preserved. Okay, so whatever work we do so that its service life is extended or improved. Okay, it starts with the basic activity of sweeping a house, cleaning the dust. So like that many activities are involved. Okay, so starting from day to day activity to the painting once in a 5 years or 3 years, okay, all will come under this maintenance. Once you concentrate on the maintenance, then the amount or the time you spend for the repair and rehabilitation will be reduced. Okay. So you can see in the pictures, down pictures, so what are all the maintenance activities they have done for the building. And also it is not only cleaning and other things, it is also repair of ACs, the fans and other electrical appliances. That also will come under the maintenance of the building. Okay, so what are all the different facets of maintenance? So it starts with emergency maintenance. Facet means different types of maintenance. So it's starting with emergency maintenance, condition based maintenance, fixed time maintenance, preventive maintenance, opportunity maintenance, day to day maintenance, shutdown maintenance, and corrective maintenance. We'll see it one by one. So, emergency maintenance. So, emergency may come across this word emergency. Emergency means is and all if any calamity or natural calamity due to that, okay, uh, any building has been damaged or the debris, okay, which has been filled in the houses or in the streets, okay, which has to be removed immediately so that the day-to-day activities can be restored. So for that, whatever activities you are doing it, so natural calamities, maybe flood, cyclone or earthquake or a sudden fire, okay, due to that what will happen means the building serviceability, okay, may not be in, or the building function may not be done. So for that, what we have to do means we have to do some emergency maintenance, such as cleaning of the debris, okay, due to a flood and cyclone, okay, or cleaning the roads for the movement of the traffic. So those activities will come under emergency maintenance. So here you can see due to earthquake, the buildings has been damaged a lot. So what are all the things, whether to demolish the building or whether to repair rehabilitation and to clear off the damaged structures, so everything will come under emergency maintenance. Recently also in Wayanad a landslide has happened, so due to that okay, many houses and many casualties has happened. So what is the main operation is that the first thing to be done is that we have to give an access to that place and we have to give them a emergency maintenance so that they can return back to their original life. So for that, what they have done means, okay, a river has been passing between a village and to the main connectivity road. So the bridge has been totally collapsed. So in that they made a temporary bridge which with the assistance of the military persons, and due to this connection of the village, okay, through these bridges, what has happened means the connectivity has created and thereby the emergency maintenance is done very fastly. Okay, so and then the peoples can return to their normal life. And second one is condition based maintenance, based on some condition. Suppose if a person comes, a consultant is coming or a person is called to do an inspection to a building for a repair or rehabilitation or for demolition of a building. So based on its preference or its suggestion, if you are doing some work, mean that is called condition based maintenance. So whatever work after an inspection which you are doing, it is called condition based, because it's coming and is giving the instruction to do this work to, okay, clean the debris which has been in the parapet, wall or near to an slab, okay, drainage is totally blocked, okay, those are all condition based maintenance. Fixed time maintenance means these are all the maintenance which are doing repeatedly at regular interval. For example, once in a week or once in a month, okay, we will be cleaning, okay, the dust which has been deposited, okay, in the ceiling near the corners and also that and all condition based maintenance. Here you can see these persons cleaning the outside facades of a building. So they will be making in contact with these people, and regularly once in a month or once in a week they will come and repeat that activity. Okay, next one is preventive maintenance. So before going to the preventive maintenance, so in our college also this type of fixed time maintenance is done once in a week. Okay, especially in Sunday time, the sweepers will come and they will clean and they will sweep the entire floor. Okay, and then whatever dust which is near to the ceiling, everything they will clean and go. So that is called weekly based maintenance. They are doing it. Okay, so timely at the Sunday alone they will do this work when the students are not there. Okay, so next one is preventive. So this maintenance is mainly done to prevent a failure occurring. For example, if a building beam is showing a signs of a distress by formation of crack means, so based on the formation of the cracks, if you do any work to prevent that entire failure of the beam, it is called preventive maintenance. Next one is opportunity maintenance. So opportunity maintenance means, I will tell through an example. Suppose you consider a water tank. Okay, you want to, so that water tank is leaking, you want to do a repair to that water tank. So what we will do means, we will shut down the supply of water, and then the entry of water to the tank also is stopped temporarily for some time. Okay, maybe for half a day or okay, some 2 hours, and you will report to the apartment. For example, it is an apartment, so you will report to the all other uh, people who are staying in the apartment to that for 2 hours or for half a day the water supply won't be there, and then you will shut down the entire wall, both the inlet and outlet, and you will do a repair work for that water tank. During that time, okay, what we will do means, there will be opportunity to repair a tap which is leaking, okay, in a house. So when the entire shutdown of the water supply there means, so during that time what we can do means, whatever the taps leaking in the houses of the apartments can be repaired. So when repairing the water tank, you get an opportunity to repair this small leakages occurring in the types. So that is called opportunity maintenance. Sometimes in electricity also they will tell, okay, Sunday or Saturday full shutdown will happen in this area. So during that time what we can do, we can switch off the main supply for our houses, and we can do electrical related maintenance. For example, cleaning the dust, okay, or checking the wire supply or the fuse and other things we can done. So that is called opportunity maintenance. And next one is day to day maintenance. So daily we are doing maintenance by cleaning the floors in our house, sweeping. Okay, that is coming under day to day maintenance. Next one is shutdown maintenance. Suppose, okay, you consider a industry, so which is not in function for the past 6 months, so we should not leave as such. So due to some conditions the industry may be shut down, but every or once in a month or once in a week we should visit, okay, the maintenance people or the sweepers should go and they should do the maintenance work. They should clean the floor from the dust, and they should check the machines are properly operated or not. If you're not doing that one, then the machine will be rusted, and in future when we restart or when you resume the industry means, then it will create lot of problem, huge amount to be spent to replace that equipment also. So not to avoid that type of problem, we should do this shutdown maintenance. Even though it is shutdown means, okay, once in a month or once in a week we should visit and we should do the maintenance project like sweeping and checking the, okay, equipment or the machines are working or not. Okay, so next one is corrective maintenance. So preventive maintenance means before the occur of the failure. Corrective maintenance means once the failure happened, what are all the maintenance we have to do. So mainly, suppose if any leakage is happening, once you see the leakage only, you'll do the maintenance. Or any water is stagnating in the terrace. So there we will, once we see only before the rain, we don't know that the water is going to stagnate in that place. So once the rain over only, we have to, okay, see that place that water is stagnant, then after that only we'll take some measures to clean that one. So that is called corrective maintenance. So with this, okay. And also another one important thing I want to tell. So in Mumbai and all, okay, there are some buildings, okay, during some rainy season you may get a continuous news that, okay, buildings are suddenly collapsed without giving any warning. So this and all, if we see this photograph of this thing, means this and all not at all in a proper maintenance done to this building. Okay, so only the buildings are collapsed. So every time we should do proper maintenance, we should do the painting activity, and wherever leakage is there we should look into that. So with this I will close today's class, and next class we will see the some other topic.